So, hi everyone, get ready with me. And I'm so happy because I really want to thank you for everyone's who support me here. Feel. Well, anyways, I invest my light now so that you can see the outlook. Outlook. Anyways, I'm so grateful. And, oh, mm, diba? May aso sa likod. Gusto niya sumali anyways. So, here. I'm done with my skin prep. So, let's use my foundation. So, I'm using this from Details Cosmetic. As you can see, I've been using this na for ilang months na, I guess. And, aray. Aray. Wait lang. So, then, I'm blend it. So, no worries at all kung it's lighter than your skin tone because if ma-absorb din yan on your skin. That's why I really like this foundation kasi nag-absorb siya on my skin. So, yung shade ko is lighter on my skin tone yung kinuha ko. So, ayun, it's December and it's almost here and I have a lot of things to be grateful, especially 2025. It's not easy year for me. A lot of downfall na hindi or dark side na hindi ma-share. But I'm really grateful on what I achieved this year and also nakaya ko lahat yung pinagdadaanan ko. And also an opportunity to start here on TikTok again. Kahit feeling ko ang bagal ng progress. Ang bagal ng progress, like what I mentioned, but still I'm grateful pa rin. Kasi there's a time na madaming mag-views and may time din na konti lang. And that's life. That's very normal. Especially a lot of talagang magagaling na content creator. But I'm still happy. I started with YouTube as well. So you can follow it. Same kung anong ina-upload ko here, nasa YouTube ko din siya. So, check it out, guys. And I'm very grateful about that. So, let it dry for your... Kasi gusto ko siyang makover yung eye bag ko. And, ayun, a lot of things to be grateful talaga. As in, especially right now, something happened on my work as well. And redirection. And I believe in that one. And yes, di ko pa pwede siyang i-share. But soon, when the time is right, masashare ko na. Then, pero nawala yung salamin ko. Wait lang. Dati naaalala ko yung light ko ginagamit is yung reflection on my salamin. Right now, I invest it because I really want to make a content here on my room. Dito tayo magsisimula. And ayun, I really want to, talaga, beauty. Kasi, way back in my high school days, I really insecure my beauty. And dati, pag mag-makeup ka, during my time, ang daming bawal. As in, sobra bawal kasi iba yung perception here on our place kung nagme-makeup ka. So, ayun. And dati, hindi din uso yung ganito, yung open na lahat, ganyan. Di uso. So, pag mag-makeup ka, iba yung tingin ng mga tao sa'yo. Ayun. So, I'm happy that I can do whatever I want right now, especially on my age. Late! So, I'm using my contour as She Glam. Here. May nakita ko, pag malaki daw mukha mo, dito kasali. And it works on my end. Depende yan sa'yo. Kung ano yung nagwo-work sa'yo. And for me, it works on my end. Tapos, here, here. And supposed to be, siya, wait. And mamaya ko lang siya i-blend. Kasi, nasanay na ako maglagay together with the blush on. And kung sinubaybayan niyo ako, you know me that I like orange thing on my face kasi magla-light brown siya. And I blend it together with the concealer dito sa baba. And dito din. Bale. Dapat, minsan yung inuuna ko is yung pag-blend ng tapos blend it lahat kasi ang ganda ng outcome niya. So, ayun. Back to the story time. Tapos, mahiyain din ako dati. Parang ayoko ng camera. Kasi, hindi ako photogenic. Tapos, ang dami kong classmate ng college na sobrang gaganda sa camera. And personal din. And I'm so insecure kasi, dati kasi, lang kami, flash on at pants na pulbo or Johnson na pulbo. Hindi pa sobrang uso ng dati. Foundation or liquid foundation, hindi. Yung pa namin dati. Especially here on our lugar, ang tagal ng dito. Yung mga, anong tawag doon? Tagal ng face acceptance ng makeup dito. Yun lang yung dito sa amin dati. Foundation, pulbo, tapos lip tint ng Everbelina. Yun yung sa amin dati. Dito. Tapos, sobrang mahihayin ako. Tapos, yung lipstick namin dati, naabutan niyo yung Kendall Jenner na lipstick. Tapos, ang daming fake na nilabas dun. Tapos, naka-purple lang yung lipstick. Hindi pa ako natapos.